take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. A company estimates 20% probability of a $400,000 loss from a supplier disruption. What's the expected loss? This should be a straightforward computation. Nevertheless, the expected loss computation is an important foundation for risk management, especially on the CMA exam. So what you do, you would say, okay, my expected loss is my probability of that happening 20% times the expected loss. This is a single one event. Therefore, the answer is C. Now keep in mind, the expected loss is 80,000, but if that event actually happened, my loss is 400,000. So don't mix the expected loss, which I think it's the maximum, versus what could happen. What could happen if that 20% probability did occur, we are at a loss of 400,000. So don't, make sure you understand your figures, the probability expected loss versus the maximum loss. What should you do now? Whether you are a CMA exam candidate, accounting, CPA, finance students, go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional resources. With AI, it will help you explain this topic. If you're taking the quiz, explain the correct and incorrect answer, create a similar MCQ. The best investment you can make is invest in yourself, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.